How to share a post with close friends on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn how to share your Instagram post exclusively with your close friends, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a quick and easy step-by-step guide on how to share your post with your close friends on Instagram. So first things first, open up your Instagram and then go to the plus icon on the bottom. Now set it to post and then choose the post that you want to, and then tap on next. Now you can choose music, text, any filter that you want, and then hit next. After you've done that, you'll have to scroll down and then you'll see audience option. Tap on it and you can set it to close friends. Tap OK, go back and share the story. Now your post will only be available to see for your close friends. It's as simple as that. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video everyone.